Hello student, now we will move to the last chapter, that is chapter number 5. I am lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. The subject is for computer also and for the IF department also. The name of the subject, as we know, Digital Technique and the Microprocessor. The name of the fifth chapter is Assembly Language Programming using 8086. All of you know you are doing a C programming, C++ and Java. Like this, we have a assembly language programming. So you have to do assembly language programming using 8086. The content is 8086 instruction set, assembly directives, procedure and micros. So these three important topics are covered up in this chapter. So first is your instruction set of 8086. The 8086 instruction are categorized into the following main type. The first type is data copy transfer instruction. These type of instruction are used to transfer data from source operand to destination operand. All the store, load, move, exchange input and output instruction belong to this category. तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन से instructions है? Store है, load है, move है और exchange है. Next is your arithmetic and logical instruction. All the instruction performing arithmetic, logical, increment, decrement, compare and ASCII instruction belong to this category. Next is your branch instruction. This instruction transfer control of execution to the specified address. Like all the call, jump, interrupt and return instruction belong to this class. Next is your loop instruction. This instruction can be used to implement unconditional and conditional loops. The loop NZ, loop PZ instruction belong to this category. Machine control instruction. This instruction control the machine status. NOP, halt, wait and lock instruction belong to this class. Next is your flag manipulation instruction. All the instruction which directly affect the flag register come under this group of instruction, like CLD, STD, CLI, STI, etc. Shift and rotate instruction. This instruction involve the bitwise shifting or rotation in either direction. So these are some instruction in a 8086 we have to use in a assembly language program. Next is your string manipulation instruction. This instruction involves various string manipulation operands like load, move, scan, compare and store. Next is your data copy transfer instruction. In that we have a move, push, pop. यहाँ पे डेटा आपका कॉपी होगा या ट्रांसफर होगा नेक्स्ट डेटा के पास. So the first instruction is your move, push, pop, in, out, push, HF, pop, F, LEA, XL8, exchange, that is XCHG, LAHF and SAHF. Only out of this you have to use only move, push, pop, in, out and exchange. Next is your data copy and transfer instruction. So in that we have a move. So move कैसे work करता है? The data transfer instruction transfer the data from one register memory location to another register memory location. The source may be any of the segment register to or other general purpose or special purpose register. तो आपको रजिस्टर को क्या करना है? एक डेटा से दूसरे डेटा में, एक मेमोरी से दूसरे मेमोरी में रजिस्टर करना है. तो you can see here, I will show using this pointer. यहाँ पे है move, आपको ये कैपिटल में लिखना है. After that you have to write the register 1 and register 2. अब आपको क्या करना है? रजिस्टर 2 में जो भी डेटा आपका स्टोर रहेगा वो कहाँ पे आपका मूव हो जाएगा? रजिस्टर 1 के अंदर. फॉर दैट पर्पज आपको ट्रांसफर करना है. फॉर दैट पर्पज वी आर यूजिंग द मूव इंस्ट्रक्शन. अभी नेक्स्ट आप लोग देखोगे मूव में बहुत सारे टाइप्स है. लाइक मूव AX, 500, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इमीडिएट एड्रेसिंग. नेक्स्ट इज योर रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग, दैट इज मूव AX, BX. Move AX, SI, indirect register. Move AX, 2000H, direct register. Move AX, 50H, BX, base relative. 50H is a displacement for that register. Push or stack. The instruction pushes the content of specified register memory location onto the stack. The stack pointer is decremented by 2 after each execution of the instruction.